Hello and welcome to another update video about a cryptocurrencies chart. Today we want to take a look at one of the probably best performing cryptos from 2024. 2025, there hasn't been such a good performance, mainly consolidation correction, but that could continue soon, that good performance. So it is the SUI chart, and let's take a look at the chart. Let's go. Okay, so let's take a look at the SUI chart. We're currently here on our website, dailymarketupdate.com. You can register completely for free and then you get access to free Elliott Wave updates. You can find the link in the description. Today, we click on the crypto section. You see, we also cover other cryptos, VeChain, Polygon, but I want to take a look at the SUI chart and I will click on the daily time frame because it gives us, first of all, a really good idea of the overall context. Also, like many other cryptocurrencies, SUI has first of all, here followed the analysis in the last update, if I remember that correctly, or even the one before. We already talked about an upcoming wave 4 correction. You might remember that. The price reached our support zone quite quickly, found support with a wick below. It was a liquidation event on that day. It was the 3rd of February. There was a lot of selling pressure in the market. A lot of cryptos broke briefly through key Fibonacci levels, but didn't invalidate their structures and recovered immediately. So the bulls turned up where support was. But the question is now, have we bottomed? Has the price bottomed on the 3rd of February? Are we on our next move to the upside? And you can see that the outlook would be that this year is currently a 4th wave correction, which should be in the late stages. Maybe it's bottomed already and there would be one more high we're watching for to complete a 5-wave pattern to the upside in wave 1. And the $5.36 level would be the next breakout point to the upside. The price needs to hold above $2. I mean, that's absolutely crucial. Ideally, though, the last low is holding, I would say. But because this is an upside impulse, we can consider it like that. A wave 4 must not break into the wave 1 price region. Therefore, the $1.97 level is critical support. It just is critical support, and the price must not break below that level. So at the moment, the idea is we are in an upside impulse, should get one more high to the upside, should be in the late stages of this wave 4 correction. And I want to share with you, here you see it a little bit better with a little bit more detail. You can see the move to the upside that we considered as a 3rd wave impulse into the late 2024 high. This chart topped pretty much where many other charts topped as well, roughly at least, in December. But because of the underlying bullishness, the price formed, which is kind of not unique necessarily, but at the moment in the sector, many coins haven't formed this high B wave. So SUI, for example, formed an overshooting B wave. When does that happen? First of all, a B wave is a corrective rally. It's already part of that wave 4. And what is interesting is that it happens often in a 4th wave, so that adds weight to the analysis and the thesis that this is a 4th wave. It also indicates strongly that we should still see upside continuation, not will, but should, because a B wave that overshoots tries to continue the trend to the upside that was already running, but was not strong enough because the correction had already begun. But it indicates bullishness. It indicates bullishness. Now, it was a very clear 3-wave move, which is the main reason that I don't call it part of the magenta wave 3. This is something, is a good observation or important observation, because it would more strongly indicate that the 5th wave should happen as well. Now, our primary scenario is that the wave 4 already bottomed, as you can see here, and ideally the price will soon start the 5th wave up, but we need a little bit more confirmation. I would like to see at least a break above the 4th of February high, which was sort of the beginning of that, which was the initial reaction, this swing high, which was the initial reaction after the strong sell-off. So we recovered really nicely, and now we see some consolidation, and we need ideally over the coming sessions that upside breakout to increase confidence. Let's say that this 5th wave to the upside has already started. Unfortunately, the structure from that low, from the 3rd of February low, where we had this flash crash across the sector, it wasn't only SUI, but the SUI chart already told us before we likely will see that correction. It was due. But across the sector, we don't really see very helpful or very clear microstructures. After that low, the market will have to show its hand, hopefully, over the coming sessions. And this is pretty much everything I can tell you about SUI. I mean, when that 5th wave happens, I would say sort of the $8 to $10 area could be a reasonable target, but we need a first confirmed low in wave 4 before we can really calculate it and put a target area to the larger degree wave 5 there. That's the update about SUI. Hope you liked the update. update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then make sure that you register on our website. You can do that completely for free. And also let me know in the comments which other cryptocurrencies or stocks you want me to cover going forward next week. And don't forget to activate the notification bell below the video. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.